See if you can help me out. Ready for some fun from Michigan? From wee old little town of Michigan, we got snow. Apparently, this is our 2000 Saturn LS. There's no number, just the 2000 Saturn LS. It's 2.2 volts. I believe it's a 4-cylinder. I'm half an idiot, half not an idiot. So let's pop the hood on this snow-covered beast. This poor thing has seen better days. What else should I say here? The symptoms right now is last night we replaced fuel filter because it was acting like a dick. Sorry about the cursing, but it's been a weenie. Literally. Here's the engine. Back up a little bit. It's coated in snow. This is our car. Anyway, when we started up with the filter, before we put the fuel filter in, it would just visit. Maybe you can hear the sound. I know it's crappy. I'm doing this myself. Get power. Get the whole ding ding. Clear some snow off of this, maybe. Holy Jesus. It's snowing. Don't mind that, okay? Ding ding, stop. I'm gonna shut the door. Damn, it's cold. Alright. And this is what we hear. It just in. I'm gonna put the phone out by the phone with the camera out by the engine in a minute, but I'm gonna give it some gas. I'm pretty sure this is fuel injected. I don't have to give it gas, but when I give it gas and rock the car, literally rock it back and forth a little bit, you'll hear it trying to do this. I'm gonna sit it down, but you can still hear it. Ouch, that was my arm. It chokes and sputters. It sounds like a lawnmower goes, and then it dies down and starts over. I'm gonna put the phone over here. You're not gonna see anything because I'm laying it flat, but try to listen. Come back over here and starting the car, trying to. She has a quarter tank of gas. The battery's fully charged. We put the fuel filter on last night. Started up after about 10 minutes when we got the battery charged up and thrown that back in because it was dead. It just doesn't want to work. As you can see, quarter tank. Huh. Well, that's weird. Oh, there it goes. 130,000 miles. We don't get it. Anything would be great. Please help us out. Love your videos. Any idea? One more time. It's just so weird. And see, when I press down on the gas a couple times and hold it, she tries so hard to start and just sits there. So let me know, Scotty. Thank you much. From snowy Michigan.